Hey everyone, I'm just going to show you real quick how to put Unity on your computer in case you want to work on your projects at home. You just need a Windows or a Mac computer. This is something I can play a 2D platformer game. Okay, nothing serious like the ones we have at school. So you just look, you just do a search for Unity Student Plan. Okay, I should say right now you want to be logged into your Google account, your school East Valley Google account. You should be logged in with your browser on your Google account, okay? And then you can just click this link after searching for it, free access secondary, and then basically you just click this button, okay? And it's going to bring you to your Unity account. Now I'm not going to do that because I don't want a student account. I'm just going to go to regular Unity, okay? I'm going to sign in. I'll show you right now. Sign in. Okay, I already have an account. Okay. Then all you got to do is this is going to give me, you got to just click on your name and my account. See, it thinks I still want to do a school thing. I'll just do it again. Okay, there it is. And you're going to see your East Valley High School. You can click on that. Okay, and then it's going to be all your information here. Now, right down below here where it says members and groups, you'll have a serial number for Unity. I'm not going to show you mine, but you'll find it right on there. Okay. So once you have your serial number, all you need is the Unity Hub. Okay, so to get the Unity Hub, you can just do a search, Unity Hub, download. Okay, where's the Unity Hub? Right there. You can click right there. Okay, and then all you do is download for your computer. It probably will say Mac if you had a Mac. Okay, you download it. Okay, once you download your hub, I'll just show you here. Get my hub going. You can just go into this preferences and licenses, and you add, and you just activate with that serial number. Now, an alternative way to get a free license is you can just download the hub too, and then click on that, get free personal license. Okay, so you can do that too. Anyone can get a free personal license, but you got to put your license information in there. Okay, and then you have to install a version of Unity. Okay, so right now I have one installed. It's 2021.3.29F1. I usually update it once a year. Okay, so this is you want an LTS version because that's going to have all the what you call it, all the tutorials and all that stuff, lesson tutorials. So when you can click install editor, and it's going to give you the latest releases. Okay, as you can see, there's versions in here. Right now, the old one I don't have. The old one is not there. But there's archives if you want to try to look for a older one. But right now, you definitely don't want a beta one, but you want an LTS one. Okay, an LTS version, and you can just install. Okay. This is 2022.3.20F1. My recommendation is to get an older one. Okay, install the older one. It's going to work better, and it's going to be sure to have all those tutorial supports. And you can install as many editors as you want. Older releases, newer releases. You can look at official releases, pre-releases. There's no pre-releases yet, but those are the two things you need to do. And then you can just start adding projects, right? And you can add, not add, you can do, when you do new project, again, if you have the LTS version, an older one, you have your basic 2D core, 3D core, 2D URP, but then you have learning tutorials, 2D platformer, runner game, 3D mobile, 2D mobile, test track racing game, okay, virtual reality, if you got some virtual reality, third person core, first person core, these are shooter games. Okay, and then you have some 3D sample scenes. You can learn how to code in a Lego game, FPS micro game, learning how to do that. Mario Kart, like a karting game. Cinematic Studios for like editing video and creating video effects. Anyways, you can have all this stuff, and you on your own time you can learn all kinds of things. You can keep doing game design. Okay, so that's how you get it on your computer. Okay, if you are someone who does not have a computer, and I still have a couple licenses left where I can give you a version that runs basically, you can run it on your Chromebook, but it's running through a website that you have to log into. Okay, so that's another way to do Unity at home too. I have a few licenses left if that's something you're interested in, but it's a far better experience on a computer, a real computer, not a Chromebook. Okay, hopefully this helps. See you later.